So that was a clip taken using the brand new Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Now you might have seen content, okay, that showcased the photography side of it, but in this video, I want to check out the video capabilities. Let's go. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here, and if you've been waiting for a flagship from Xiaomi with great camera systems, this is it. It's got 4 lenses, ultra-wide lens, 1-inch main lens, optical 75mm zoom lens and 120mm periscope zoom lens, all 50 megapixels. So before we go and take videos, here are all the specs, okay? You can screenshot and slowly read. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra uses Leica Vario Sumilux lenses, and with this collaboration with Leica, they also included 2 Leica photographic styles, authentic look and vibrant look. But these are for photos. The main and also the ultra-wide lenses can really capture great details and also vibrant colors. Now what I really like is how stable the camera is, and that also means we can record video while we are walking. When it comes to zoom, it has a 75mm and 120mm lens. Both are optical and not those gimmicky in-sensor zooms. These zoom lenses work really well in pulling subjects closer or if you want to be low-key while shooting someone from far. Now here's a pro tip for everyone who wants to record videos, okay? Try to minimize movement or minimize panning and instead shoot short clips so that we can put them together in a clip when we edit. So I'm actually currently recording videos at 4K 60, but did you know that we can also shoot in 8K 24 or 8K 30? That's crazy, okay? And it's for all the lenses, okay? For pro videographers, you can also enable the 10-bit log video recording, which supports LUT import. With log mode, you can freely edit and also color grade to your own style. There's also a movie mode with 2.39 by 1 aspect ratio and 180 degrees shutter rule for cinematic look and motion blur. If you need more controls, there's also director mode with pro-grade interface and log format for flexible post-production needs. So what do you think of the video capabilities of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra? Let me know in the comments below, okay? Now, I personally think that it does really good in shooting videos, okay? Especially with the 4 lenses. That also means multiple focal lengths that I can use to shoot different scenes and different frames based on whatever I need at that moment. My favorite lens is a 75mm floating telephoto lens as it gives me the perfect zoom for street videography. With its big 5000 mAh battery, there is no worry that it will die on me halfway during my shoots. Now, if you love this phone, note that it comes with 16GB of RAM and also 512GB of internal storage, okay? Now, if you love gadget videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, okay? Click on subscribe below this video, share this video with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is smashpop, and I'll see you in the next one. Yo!